This is the workaround to get Windows 11 on a Windows 10 computer that for some reason might not allow the upgrade because the CPU isn't compatible or whatever. The first thing you want to do is Google AVO bypass. Then you'll want to click on the GitHub link, AVO Media Creation Tool. Once you've done that, go to the Media Creation Tool.bat file, click on it. It'll bring up all of this here. What you want to do is go over here to RAW. Click on RAW. It will bring up this text here. Click at the beginning, drag all the way down to highlight all of the text you see. Just keep scrolling. Make sure everything highlighted down to the T. Right click, copy. Then what you want to do is open up Notepad, right click, paste. Save file as. Erase this. 11.bat. Change file type to all files. Then save. You can now exit out of WordPad. I'm going to close this window. Go to your files. It usually would save under Documents. You see this right here is the file we want. Right click on that. Run as administrator. Click yes. You will now get this dialog that will pop up. Here's our current version of Windows we're wanting to install. Click on that. Then it'll come to this here. You can either make an ISO for later install, you can do a USB, or you can do an in-place auto upgrade, which is what I'm going to do here. So click that. It'll do a little work here. And as you can see, Windows 11 setup, getting things ready, and boom, downloading the Windows 11. Now this will take about 20 minutes in total to do, but I will show you once it does this, the progress. Now when you do the in-place auto install, it will save all your Windows 10 files, the USB, the ISO feature, that will do a fresh install, wipe out all the old files. So the best thing that I found to do is to go ahead and do the auto upgrade. Like I said, it does take about 20 minutes. As you can tell, it's been a few minutes. Progress has gone along greatly. Here we are. We've downloaded. It's verifying the download. It's now creating the Windows 11 media. After it creates, it will go back to this window. Just press any key. And here you are. We are now installing or preparing Windows for install. It will start checking for updates. While it's doing this, I'll talk a minute. Why install Windows 11? Here's so much negative about just a new version of Windows. As everybody knows, Windows 10 is at the end of its life support, which means it will no longer get security updates or anything of such. Microsoft enjoys planned obsolescence. So what this is that I've done here is a workaround that of Microsoft. It will allow you to upgrade to Windows 11 and continue to get updates. Since it is a legitimate install of Windows 11, your product key will be the same. That does not change in any way. And just a second. After it checks for updates, we will go to this screen here. A lot of the issues with Windows 11 upgrade might be an unsupported CPU, in my instance, AMD Ryzen CPU, but the computer is perfectly fine running Windows 11. It's just Microsoft's planned obsolescence. Now, this also works if your computer doesn't have a TPM, a trusted platform module as well. Like I said, because this does upgrade to a legitimate version of Windows 11, your product key will stay the same. You will not have to buy a new one. And all computers currently running Windows 10 are eligible for free upgrade as is. So anytime Microsoft might tell you have to pay for it, you do not. There are media creation tools, and the instance that I did here, totally free upgrade.